Hi everyone! I'm almost done planting with my cucumber or pepino. Then next is my Roma tomatoes. Ayan. So ito na siya guys, my cucumber. So hopefully by July magbunga na siya, will bear fruits. And so excited to harvest my cucumber and make some more pickles for winter consumption. Ayan siya guys, so beautiful and healthy my cucumber just planted in the ground. The weather is nice, it's not windy, it's not sunny, nice and cool. Ayan. Thanks for watching. Love, Nancy. Sending hugs to all of you from Baker's family. Bye. Please subscribe.